second screen, coffee rain on the desk, still warm. Lines of code like columns, snap to grid, then transform. Cursor tracing floor plans, nested loops and daylight schemes. Stacking syntax, stealing glass into quiet, humming dreams. Click save on the sky I'm building in this con electric air. Tiny sparks of thought keep spilling from the clouds inside my chair. All these future streets I'm drawing, fled through servers soft and clean. Creative breakthroughs keep on dawning in my slow racing machine. Parametric daylight study, Python whisper and try again. One small change in logic and the whole frame shifts within.